started off with black clay, and I'm going to flatten this out and make it into a square. This is an easy charm that anyone can do. Once you have your square, I'm going to insert my head pin. If you're using an eye pin, you can insert this right now as well. And now you want to bake it. After it's baked and cooled off, I'm going to paint on all of the details. At the top, I'm going to make a gray triangle, and then right below it is going to be a white one. I used some black acrylic paint to clean up the edges. Once the white is completely dry, I added a red stripe. And now I'm just going to do the cute little face. You want to let the paint completely dry before you glaze. For this charm, I actually used 3 layers because the paint ended up being a tad bumpy and I wanted to make sure it was smooth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.